It's used, but it's crispy. These parts are hard to find. Look at that. My name's Toon.
Head underwater, I'm falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under, we're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Toon Dollars, and right now I'm on Broad Street. I got the core right here, and we're gonna do a long overdue unboxing. Y'all remember last month I told you my wife, she got me the tail light. Remember? You remember? Well, here's the tail light. It's in the box. Let's open it up and install it right now. Whoa, look at this joint, y'all. Tell me this joint ain't crispy. Look at that. It's used, but it's crispy. These parts are hard to find. Look at that. That's how I got the car. It already had a crack on it. But guess what? Now we got the replacement. So I'm about to install the replacement right now. Well, guys, you know what they say, out with the old and in with the new. Y'all see the crack right here, right? Let's put the new one in. As you can see, the gasket is gonna need to be replaced soon. Right now, I don't have the light gasket, so I'm gonna just work without it. Let's compare and contrast the both before we install it. Let's go. Yo, this thing got popcorn stuck all inside of it. Go figure, huh? Yo, it's all this popcorn stuck inside of it. This is what it's called, right? Packing popcorn. Yo, why is there so much packing popcorn in this light? 12 hours later. Yo, they should give me a discount for putting me through so much, yo. Yo, I'm about to write the seller. Yo, I need a discount. You gave me way too much popcorn, dog. I don't eat popcorn. Oh, there's even more. Please let that be it. I'm all done, and to be honest, I'm all popcorned out, yo. What's up with all this popcorn? It made me dirty my little Ace band. This joint was fresh to death. Now it's all dirty. Now it has the original OEM tail light. Both of them are in excellent condition. The headlights are in excellent condition. Bumper lights. I'm all good with lights. I'm satisfied. All right, guys. That's it. Make sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Stay tuned for my next video. Peace.